Hello, this is a video only for internal use. I want to show my 300 HP turbine. This is a little bit a go around from the engine. In this part you have a box with relays to can manage all the power system and all the sensors. Okay, you have to make the power here, power on. Let's go around. Sorry, you have here, take a shot. You have here one optical sensor for the propeller RPM. Here, this is another one. It's the same sensor for the turbine shaft. You have some in this part. Yes, in this part you have thermocouple for the temperature of the engine. Here, this is another one for the exhaust, but in this case we have this sensor outside the turbine because it's only for proof. All the turbine is mounting in a mobile mounting. Okay, you have here two sensors for the pressure. One is for oil pressure and the other one is for the fuel pressure. In this little box you have the spark and manage the ignition power and sequence. This is the start plug, spark plug, and you have only 12-volt batteries and other things that maybe are similar for every part in other planes. Here you have an exhaust, but it's only the proof one, without a curve. This is only for outside. In this part of the turbine you have the oil system that manage only the oil system for the gearbox. This is only for gearbox. And you have the fuel pressure and the fuel tubes with a primary igniter and primary let's say injector. Okay, this is another spark plug, and the other side of the sensors. This air intake is made of composite because it's only for the proof. In the other side, sorry, I don't mention it, is the starter engine. And here, this is the I don't know the name in English, but this is for the pitch change for the propeller. Okay, I don't know the name in English, sorry. This propeller, as you can see, is right now with a clutch. Yes, we developed a new clutch system in the few months ago, in the last 3 maybe 5 months ago. So we are just testing the system right now. So I will start the engine and I will stop it before idle because it's only for proof and demonstration. Okay, I take out the propeller cone because I want to show that this is a fixed pitch of composite propeller. It's only for testing purpose. And for this side, before I don't remember, I wasn't remember the name of this. This is called transfer ring and receives the oil from the governor. In this case, don't have the plugs for the tubing, but this is the transfer ring. The other engines used to have this transfer ring inside of the engine or the gearbox. In this case, is outside. and the governor sent the oil here, and with this we pass the oil for the middle of the shaft to allow the movement of the propeller. This is the ECU system. It's very simple. It's made for this turbine. I don't know if you can. All right. Okay, here we have the propeller RPM, the EGT temperature, and here in smaller instruments, I don't know if you can see. Yes, the turbine RPM, the engine temperature, the oil pressure, and the fuel pressure, You can tip one and make it bigger. All right, and I will move the propeller so you can see here how it changes, okay, with the optical sensor. Here we have, in the normal use, this ECU manage the start sequence with only press one button, but as we change some things inside of the turbine with the new clutch, I have the start sequence in manual, so these buttons are for the starting sequence.